Hello, favorite nurses. As we look at week 5, we wrapped up the prioritization of nursing care last week, which I mentioned that's something that our new nurses really struggle with. And then we're moving into that healthcare delivery workforce. So, how does that change based on where you work, what type of unit you work, what type of institution you work for? Because that culture always can shift if it's a profit, if it's a nonprofit, if it's the VA, those type of things. So, how do we see those changes? So for this week, you're doing 2 lessons of your choice from the available topics, and we'll look at those, and then keeping up with those clinical hours. So from our topics, we're looking at shaping the healthcare environment, different types of modalities for patient care, materials resource, which I used to not think a lot about until I got into a management role and I realized how much waste we do on a regular basis. So waste, and then human resource and fiscal resource. So those issues, as we're looking at them through the lens of how that nursing leader is responsible for all of these aspects and what we need to be aware of. So I'm looking forward to reading your discussion boards from your clinicals for this past week, and we'll continue moving forward. Again, don't hesitate to holler at me if you have a question, and let's have a good week. Thanks, guys.